SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off night shift on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. The night shift feature on your iPhone automatically switches the colors on the device to the warmer end of the color spectrum. This is meant to help you fall asleep a little more easily, but if you aren't using the night shift feature, or if you don't need that option, then you can turn it off. You can disable night shift from the settings menu by opening the settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the display and brightness option, and then you can scroll down again and select night shift. If you have a scheduled option on and you want to turn that off, then you can tap the button to the right of that to turn off the scheduled option, or if it had been manually enabled, then you can tap the button to the right of that to turn off night shift there. Another place where you can turn off night shift is in the control center. You can do this by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, which opens the control center, and then you can tap and hold on the brightness slider. Here you're going to see a few options at the bottom, including night shift. So if you tap that button, then you can turn night shift on, or you can turn it off. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic, and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.